Welcome back, and in today's video I'll be guiding you through the process on how you can enable and how you can disable auto spacing on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. So start by opening settings, and in settings you want to scroll and select general management. From here tap on Samsung keyboard settings, then you want to scroll until you find more typing options. Tap on it. From here you should see auto spacing, select it, and then you have your languages that you've added onto your keyboard with toggles next to them. So auto spacing is a feature that adds a space immediately after predictive text. So say for example you're typing something out on your keyboard, and then you see something here on the predictive text strip. So say for example we're starting to type hello, and then or help, and we see it appearing on the predictive text. So you would tap on it, and then you see it automatically gives a space so that you can continue typing without having to keep spacing. But if you want to turn that off, then you can just tap on the toggle next to that specific keyboard language, and now whenever you're typing and say we're writing dearly, and then we tap on it, you can notice it's no longer spacing automatically. We have to physically press the space bar to add a space onto our sentence. So you can choose to do that for any of the languages you currently have added onto your phone. But if you want to leave the auto spacing turned on, then just tap on the toggle like that to leave it on. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.